In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the topic of the psychology of money. 15 ways your mindset affects your finances. Money has a profound impact on our lives, and understanding the psychological factors that influence our financial decisions can be crucial for building wealth and financial well-being. So, let's get started. Number 1. Scarcity mindset. Our first way in which mindset affects your finances is the scarcity mindset. This mindset is characterized by a fear of not having enough money, which can lead to excessive hoarding, overspending during times of scarcity, and missed investment opportunities. When we constantly operate from a place of scarcity, we become trapped in a cycle of anxiety and fear, making it difficult to make rational financial decisions. However, by consciously shifting our mindset towards abundance, we can open ourselves up to new possibilities. Cultivating an abundance mentality allows us to recognize the opportunities for growth and abundance that surround us. It encourages us to focus on creating value, seeking out investment opportunities, and developing a positive relationship with money. By adopting an abundance mindset, we can break free from the limitations of scarcity and approach our finances with confidence and optimism. Number 2. Instant gratification. In today's fast-paced world, the allure of instant gratification is hard to resist. We are bombarded with advertisements and social media posts showcasing the latest gadgets, luxurious vacations, and trendy fashion items. This constant exposure to instant gratification can have a detrimental impact on our finances. When we give in to the temptation of immediate pleasures, we often neglect our long-term financial goals. Impulsive spending, fueled by the desire for instant gratification, can quickly accumulate high credit card debt, leaving us trapped in a cycle of financial stress. However, by embracing the power of delayed gratification, we can make significant strides towards securing our financial future. Delaying gratification means being patient, prioritizing long-term goals over short-term desires, and understanding that true fulfillment comes from financial stability and wise money management. By practicing delayed gratification, we can save more, invest wisely, and achieve financial freedom in the long run. Remember, it's not about denying ourselves the things we desire, but rather finding a balance between enjoying the present and securing a prosperous future. Number 3. Emotional spending. Many of us are guilty of emotional spending. We use shopping as a coping mechanism for stress, sadness, or even happiness. Understanding the triggers behind emotional spending can help us develop healthier financial habits and find alternative ways to deal with our emotions. By recognizing the emotional connection we have with money, we can make conscious choices and avoid impulsive purchases that might temporarily soothe our emotions but ultimately harm our long-term financial well-being. Number 4. Anchoring bias. Anchoring bias refers to our tendency to rely heavily on the first piece of information we receive when making financial decisions. This bias can lead to irrational choices and missed opportunities. To overcome anchoring bias, it's essential to gather multiple perspectives, conduct thorough research, and challenge our initial assumptions. By doing so, we can make more informed financial decisions that are not solely influenced by the anchoring effect. Number 5. Herd mentality. Humans are social creatures, and we often look to others for guidance and validation. The herd mentality can impact our financial decisions, leading us to follow the crowd without careful consideration. It's important to remember that what works for others may not work for us individually. By taking a step back, evaluating our own financial goals and risk tolerance, and making decisions based on careful analysis, we can avoid blindly following the crowd and make choices that align with our own financial well-being. Number 6. Confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is our tendency to seek information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs and ignore evidence that contradicts them. This bias can prevent us from making objective financial decisions. To overcome confirmation bias, we must actively seek out diverse perspectives and challenge our own assumptions. By doing so, we can make more well-rounded and informed financial choices that consider a range of possibilities. Number 7. Overconfidence. Overconfidence can lead to risky financial behavior, such as excessive trading, ignoring financial advice, or taking on too much debt. It's important to strike a balance between confidence and caution. By acknowledging our limitations, seeking expert advice when needed, and regularly reassessing our financial decisions, we can avoid the pitfalls of overconfidence and make more prudent choices that align with our long-term financial goals. Number 8. Self-worth and money. Our self-worth often becomes deeply intertwined with our financial success or failure. When we tie our value as individuals solely to our monetary achievements, it can lead to a host of negative consequences. Feelings of inadequacy, low self-esteem, and a constant need to prove our worth through excessive risk-taking are common manifestations of this mindset. However, it's important to separate our self-worth from our financial situation. True self-worth is derived from our inherent qualities, character, and relationships, not the numbers in our bank account. By shifting our focus to personal growth, self-acceptance, and nurturing meaningful connections, we can foster a healthier relationship with money. Understanding that our value extends far beyond our financial circumstances allows us to approach money with a balanced perspective, make better financial decisions, and ultimately experience greater fulfillment in life. Number 9. Goal setting and motivation. Setting clear financial goals and maintaining motivation are crucial for long-term financial success. Without clear goals, we may lack direction and find it challenging to make progress. In addition, motivation plays a significant role in staying on track and overcoming obstacles along the way. By setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, we provide ourselves with a roadmap for success. It's also important to tap into our intrinsic motivation, finding the deeper reasons why we want to achieve financial stability and security. Whether it's providing for our family, pursuing our passions, or experiencing financial freedom, understanding our motivations keeps us focused and resilient on our financial journey. Number 10. Financial anxiety. Financial anxiety is a common phenomenon that can significantly impact our financial decisions and overall well-being. It can manifest as constant worry, stress, and fear about our financial situation. To manage financial anxiety, it's crucial to develop healthy coping mechanisms. This includes creating a budget and financial plan, building an emergency fund, and seeking professional help if needed. Additionally, practicing self-care, mindfulness, and stress reduction techniques can contribute to a healthier relationship with money. By taking proactive steps to address financial anxiety, we can make clearer, more rational financial choices and experience greater peace of mind. Number 11. The influence of childhood experiences. Our childhood experiences with money can have a lasting impact on our financial mindset. Observing how our parents or caregivers handled money, their beliefs about wealth, and their financial struggles can shape our own attitudes towards money. It's essential to reflect on these experiences and identify any negative patterns or beliefs that may be holding us back. By understanding the influence of our upbringing, we can consciously choose to reshape our money mindset and adopt healthier financial habits. This may involve seeking financial education, working with a financial advisor, or seeking therapy to heal any negative money-related trauma from our past. Number 12. Financial education. The importance of financial education cannot be overstated. Many of us lack the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed financial decisions. By investing in our financial education, whether through books, courses, or seeking advice from financial professionals, we empower ourselves with the tools to navigate the complexities of personal finance. Financial literacy helps us understand concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. With increased knowledge, we can make smarter financial choices, avoid common pitfalls, and work towards our financial goals with confidence and competence. Number 13. Money and relationships. Money is a common source of tension and conflict in relationships. Differing financial goals, spending habits, and communication breakdowns can strain even the strongest bonds. It's crucial to foster open and honest communication about money in our relationships. This includes discussing financial expectations, setting joint goals, and finding compromises that work for both parties. Building a strong foundation of trust, mutual respect, and shared financial values can lead to healthier and more harmonious relationships. Remember, money is not just an individual matter. It has a profound impact on our partnerships and families. Number 14. Financial responsibility. Taking responsibility for our financial decisions is key to achieving long-term financial success. It involves being accountable for our actions, regularly reviewing our financial situation, and making necessary adjustments. This includes monitoring our spending, saving diligently, avoiding unnecessary debt, and investing wisely. By embracing financial responsibility, we empower ourselves to take control of our financial future and make choices that align with our goals and values. It's not about perfection, but rather a commitment to continuous improvement and making choices that prioritize our long-term financial well-being. Number 15. Celebrating financial wins. Now let's explore the importance of celebrating our financial wins as a way to enhance our mindset and overall financial well-being. In our pursuit of financial success, it's easy to get caught up in the endless goals, targets, and milestones we set for ourselves. While it's important to strive for progress, it's equally crucial to take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate the achievements along the way. When we celebrate our financial wins, big or small, we create a positive feedback loop in our minds. This positive reinforcement not only boosts our self-confidence and motivation, but also reinforces the belief that we are capable of achieving our financial goals. Celebrating financial wins can take many forms, depending on our personal preferences and circumstances. It could be treating ourselves to a small indulgence, taking a day off to relax and enjoy the fruits of our labor, or sharing the news with loved ones who have supported us throughout our financial journey. The key is to find ways to acknowledge and honor our accomplishments in a manner that resonates with us. By celebrating our financial wins, we also shift our focus from what we lack to what we have achieved. This shift in perspective cultivates a mindset of abundance and gratitude, further fueling our motivation to continue progressing toward our financial goals. Moreover, celebrating financial wins reinforces positive financial habits and behaviors. It reinforces the notion that our efforts and hard work are paying off, encouraging us to stay disciplined and committed to our financial plans. It serves as a reminder that we are making progress, even during times when the road may seem challenging. In conclusion, our mindset plays a significant role in shaping our financial outcomes. By understanding the psychological factors that influence our financial decisions, we can develop healthier money mindsets and achieve long-term financial success. Remember, it's never too late to reevaluate your mindset and make positive changes in your financial life. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the topic, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers.